Welcome to another Crmble tutorial. Today, we'll guide you through importing deals into Crmble and preparing your source file. What exactly is a deal versus a contact in Crmble? In a nutshell, a deal is the union between a Crmble contact and a Trello card. The Deals import feature is perfect not only for migrating data from other platforms, but also for managing email or social media campaigns, just to name a few examples. For instance, if you have sent a mail campaign, you might want to track recipients who have shown interest. In this case, you can export contacts from your mail solution, like MailChimp or Brevo, and import them as deals into Crmble so you can keep track and ensure you close as many deals as possible. In this example, we'll show you in more detail how to migrate from a spreadsheet that has been used to track deals. The spreadsheet includes contact details and deal details such as contact name and surname, deal value, funnel stage, creation date, among other custom fields common in sales. If you would like to try this yourself, you can find a link to this example spreadsheet in the description below. In the case of your own source file, before you start the import and mapping process, there are some adjustments to make on your file to ensure a flawless import process. Please ensure the first row of your spreadsheet file contains column headers that define the data type and match as much as possible the name of your destination field to facilitate mapping. And it is crucial that this row is not left blank. Additionally, your source file should not have blank rows within or at the end. If you find any, please take a moment to delete them to clean up the file. Quick tip, if you export to CSV, you can avoid the deletion of blank rows below your data while preparing your source file, as CSV files do not include those by default. Importing currency values. For currency fields like deal value, ensure that the source column is formatted without the currency symbol. Crmble accepts decimal numbers, and both decimal points and commas can be used interchangeably. However, using a thousand separator can cause issues. It's best to convert the column to an automatic format before exporting. When you import a numeric value into Crmble, the corresponding currency symbol set in the deal value field will be automatically added. Importing dates. For creation date or any other date type field, ensure the data format in your source file matches the one set in Crmble General Settings. To check, please open Crmble and head to Settings. Once there, click on the General tab and select any of the 3 available date masks that match your source file format. To assure a flawless import, we highly recommend getting rid of time data like hours and minutes. Once done, please change the date column format to plain before exporting to CSV or saving as Excel. Customize your fields before importing. You can create new fields in Crmble to match your specific needs. Ensure you have created any custom fields you might need to accommodate all of the source data before starting the mapping process. In this example, our source file includes a mortgage renewal date we would like to import. Before we are able to map and import this data, we need to create a field in Crmble. Ready to import. Once your spreadsheet is prepared, export your deals to CSV or save an Excel file to your hard drive. To import deals into Crmble, navigate to the Deals section and click the Import button located in the top right corner. Then click Browse Files and select your source file. Next, it's time to map your source file columns to the corresponding deal fields in Crmble. Please review and select the appropriate columns from your source file by clicking the black arrows next to each field. The import mapping form is organized into several sections: Trello card details, won and lost details, contact details, and deal details. After mapping all fields from your source file to Crmble's deal fields, click Continue. In the following section, you can decide in which stage of your pipeline you want to create your new deal cards. If your source file includes a field that defines the stage of the deal, pick that field in the following form and then map each of the available stages in the source field with each of the corresponding stages of your Trello board. Once imported, all your new deals will be available in Crmble, ready for you to manage and track through your sales pipeline. And that's it! You've successfully imported deals into Crmble, streamlining your sales process and saving valuable time. For more detailed instructions or any additional questions, please refer to the links in the description below. See you in the next tutorial.